Hello gamer, it is easy. Grab the earpad by the edge and pull it off. The earpad cushions are held to the headphones with the help of this groove. This simple earpad mount type makes the cushion easy to replace. When you get new pads, to put them back, first start by stretching the edge. This will help to put back the earpad. The earpad seam needs to be positioned at the bottom of the headphones. To put the earpad back, start by inserting the earpad edge into the headphone housing groove. The most important step is to hold both sides of the already inserted groove. Then using your other hand, pull the remaining edge into place. When it is done, you can rotate the pad a bit to get it into the groove perfectly. Then do the same for the other side, and it is all you need to know to replace or put back the earpad cushions on these Razer Kraken Kitty V2 gaming headphones.